people search the website regarding Trilogy company. Okay, so Trilogy Innovations, the first round, okay, hoping that tomorrow you people will clear that programming. Those who cleared, then for those students, second round is regarding CCAT. Yeah, in fact, in short, we call like aptitude test. But for this company, they call it like crossover cognitive aptitude test because the test platform is crossover. They given that name as crossover cognitive. Cognitive aptitude test is nothing but like quant, reason, verbal, basic thing, right? So platform is crossover. That's why they given like okay. And I'll share you this document later. Don't worry. And the entire recruitment process is given by Trilogy Innovations company in their website clearly. I already opened that website. This is what Trilogy Innovations. They clearly mention that it may be not visible to the end. I have to agree, and they given every step in this detail. See, first one, coding challenge 90 to 120 minutes. Over the which platform? Intermediate platform. They clearly mention you can use the Java, C, C++, Python, so different languages. Next, if you clear aptitude test platform, crossover platform, time duration 15 minutes, questions to be 50 questions, 50. That's what the very important thing you have to know. 50 questions, time is only 900 seconds in terms of seconds. If you speak 900 seconds, sir, then listen. If you want to solve all 50 questions 50, it will be around 18 seconds for each question. But don't go for 18. Assume 3 seconds to mark the answer and click on the next button and all. So I have only 15 seconds. In that 15 seconds also don't assume you are going to use for calculation. 5 seconds to read, 10 seconds to the process, 3 seconds to attempt. So 18 seconds. Sir, is that all? Each question timer? No, each question timer. For your kind information, for the entire 50 questions, 15 minutes. Sir, I solve only 30 questions. See you, tata, bye bye. If you solve only, because they clearly mention 45 plus is to be scored. This is not from my end. The company website I am showing you directly. The company website, company links. 90% is the cutoff. So that's why, sir, is that difficult? Listen. When I open the questions, everybody will feel, so this is for this purpose. I came to your class, you may question. That's why I'm telling you all this before. When I display the question, you will say, sir, this is 5 seconds question, 10 seconds question. I do agree. That's why I'm telling you the background before the questions. And don't worry, I think everybody, those who cleared that coding round, definitely will clear this round. Okay, you can see the questions, what level they're given. After that, you can understand. But score is a bit high, but still, those who are capable of clearing that coding, obviously will clear this as well, right? So then what next, sir? I'm in assumption both is cleared. Then you can see they mentioned what's that interview level 1, DSA, interview level 2, problem solving, interview level 3, organization fitment. Yeah, whether okay you are fitting for the organization rules or not. It's almost like HR questions. In HR round, that's what generally people check. Okay, this people is having this person is having all talent, but you are okay fit for the company or not. They'll just check. That's a basic thing, right? So that's it. That's what about. In fact, we can assume 2 technical interviews, 1 HR interview. You can assume in that fashion. Managerial interview, or we can say HR interview likewise. This is clearly given by okay company innovations.trilogy. All those links will be shared. And kindly for the next 1 hour or 1.5 hour, no need to write anything in your book. Okay, I'll display the things. Okay, calculations also, you just try to do it in your mind, not much on pen and paper. Because as each question, how much you should spend? 15 only. 3 seconds for marking and moving to next. So default, you assume only 15 seconds for each question. And what I am doing to make things very clear for you, here I kept the timer for each question 15 seconds as well. Before that, are you able to answer it or not? You cross check yourself. No need to reveal answer is A, B, not required. Whether you are able to answer the question within the timer completed or not. Right? So I kept every question that fashion. Okay. And before going further, a lot of people have questions. So what topic? I have enough time. Okay, night entire night out I'll work on it. Okay, so to for that purpose I'll just give you the outline. So as discussed, 50 MCQs. What topics is mathematics means basic quant only. Reasoning verbal also there for your kind info. English basic questions from English verbal ability also there. Spatial reasoning means non-verbal image based questions. They'll give five diagrams. What is the sixth diagram? Or among these five diagrams, which one is different? Mirror image of this diagram, waterimage of this diagram. Spatial reasoning means all about image based questions, right? And logical reasoning, it's all about coding and decoding number series stuff. They'll ask more and more. And as mentioned, time limit is 15 minutes. Candidate must score 45 or higher to qualify for the technical round. For entering into CCAT, you should qualify coding round. So believing that, okay. Fine. Next, what topics internally if you want to just have a look? Yeah. So analogies they are asking. Analysis, especially in verbal, they are focusing more on analogy. As mentioned, number series, math word problems, logic statements, and figure matrices that will show you. Spatial reasoning, rotation, what is the next diagram, add one or different one among the given diagrams. Spatial reasoning means nothing but image based questions. And in verbal reasoning, analogies, antonym, synonym, or they'll give a pair. Okay, sentence completion, antonym, synonyms as mentioned, spotting errors. Spotting errors, I think we cannot expect because time is only less, so we cannot expect much regarding spotting errors. But you can find, okay, regarding antonym, synonyms, which can be, if you know English, they are giving basic words also. Not difficult. When we run through the questions, you can understand things. Okay, so now we'll enter into the questions. Now, as I mentioned, when question is displayed, timer will be there. Okay, you just try to solve. Sir, I use pen and paper, it's your wish. I strongly suggest you people not use any pen and paper in exam also. If you use pen and paper, it will automatically track the ink. That's why for all competitive exams, there is a slogan, think without ink. Means think without pen and paper. Don't use pen and paper. Think without ink concept we should use better. As for this section, not for coding, I'm not claiming for that. There you have enough time, you can work on it. Now, let us go ahead. Forty. Okay. 42. So yeah, the timer will keep running. Don't worry. It's 42. Now here four difference is 4, 6, 8, 10. Next should be 12. So the logic plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. I think for all these questions, I also should not use any okay pen and paper or maybe this writing pad also actually. For your understanding, I am putting that. Okay. Now this question. 4 is the answer. Very good. 4 is correct. See, this is into 25 is 75. 3 into 25 is 75. There it is 0.25 we should do. Means 1 by 4. Means we should divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's my answer is A. Okay, divided by 4. 3 becomes 0.75. Means 1 is 0.25. 3 pencils cost 0.75, 1 is 0.25. 0.25 means 1 by 4. So 16 divided by 4, we should get 4 as the answer. Does not belong means odd one out. Option D for Delhi. Remaining all are even number perfect squares. This is odd number. Rest all are even number squares. Does not belong, that's what it's a different thing. Remaining all follow some rule. This is following a different thing. All rest of things are perfect squares. Even number perfect squares. 225 is also perfect square, agreed, but odd number one. Odd one out does not belong means that's what the meaning. Next question we'll move. We're moving to next. Yeah. This is what analogy. Book is to read, fork is used to eat. Next, 36. That's what you people are taking less time. So don't worry. Tomorrow exam also same thing. But you don't have question wise timer. Don't double check the question and waste there. Those are all basic questions only. Today entire session it will be like basics. Don't think that I am very much okay scored in quant and all. But this is basic questions. Don't think in other direction. Yeah. No pen and paper. 24. Super. 24 is correct. Why? Because of 10% means removing 1 0. 10% is 5% is adding 24. Right. So we discussed in regular percentages topic and more questions related to percentages also you can see going forward as well. $300. Very good. 300 is correct. After 20% discount, it become 240. Originally is 100%. 20% discount given means 80% relates to 240. This is 1% means 3. Then 100% will be 300. After giving discount, it is 240. Okay, so original one is 100%. This is 80% is 240. 1% is 3, 100% is 300. 45 into 3, right? So that's it. Basic questions only, don't worry much. +21. So +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. Excellent. 128 because rest all are perfect squares. Now don't imagine, sir, for every question last number is odd one out. Previous two questions last one is the wrong. This one also not like that. Now 60. Very good. Speed is distance by time. Excellent. 48. Logic is into 2. Now here I think everybody answered in 5 to 6 seconds only. This time will be served for some other questions. They given not question wise timer, entire all together 15 minutes. Maybe one or two questions will take time. That's why you can save time in certain questions like this. And I'm not saying that these topics you don't know. Today's session is only to adapt for the timer. Timing or other whether I am able to solve that 50 questions in the given 15 minutes or not. So that's what main focus, not about the topics. Verbal, brief, concise, brief. Opposite antonym for concise, lengthy. Concise is simple, simplified one. So opposite. So verbal also they're asking. You know, nice is to analogy questions I mentioned in syllabus. This is how they ask. Not too much difficult as well. Remaining all are animals. Next, willing. Reluctant, reserved, all those are synonyms. But reluctant, okay, opposite is willing. Opposite they are asking. Please. Antonym. So yeah, if you know, you can answer the question within 10 seconds. 15 seconds also. Verbal, okay. Chef is to kitchen. Namaste, Anna. So, she was so tired she could barely keep her eyes open. Now, is it true or false or can't say? Yes. S is correct. See, one simple logic what you can do, no? All rages are lages, means in place of rages we can put lages, so we can keep that. So directly all bloops are lages is definitely true. That one shortcut we can apply whenever all is there. All rages are lages, in place of or we can keep L directly. So all bloops are lages, so is definitely true. If it is a doubt, can't say is there. Yes or no, I have a doubt means can't say is there. Definitely wrong means then only go for no. Same question already you solved. 21. Same question numbers already you solved. A is 1, C is 3, F is 6, J is 10, O is 15. Next one will be 21, which is U letter. We solved same question already. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 likewise. Okay, next. Cat is 3120. Dog is 415. Yeah. And one more big company which is waiting for you people as for people in this drive. We not share you, but just pay hiring is started. You have to apply for just pay as well. That's also again good package will be there in just pay. So once this drive is completed, we'll share the link in group. You can apply for just pay. Next calendars. Today is Tuesday. What day it will be? 63 days from now or after 63 days. If today is Tuesday, what day will it be? 63 days from now. Answer Tuesday only. 9 weeks. See, after 1 week, today is Tuesday, after 1 week, 2 weeks. So 9 weeks. Odd days is 0. We can claim like odd days. So we have to divide by 7. Exactly, it's divisible. 0 extra. So same will repeat. If it is 1 extra, Wednesday will claim. If it is 2 extra plus 2 we have to do. 3 extra like that. But here 0 is the extra. So after every week same thing will come. 63 days is nothing but 9 weeks. We'll get same as it is. Next. 27. N cube logic, again analogy question. N cube. And you can just recall so far more questions are analogy, series, coding and decoding related. Hard one out also in fact. Next. Sir, time completed. 15 already completed. Next 15 also. M. So 26, 24, 21, 17 at least now. L is the answer, no? Minus 2, minus 4, then minus 5, 12. 12 is nothing but L later. Right, so good. Spatial reasoning, they'll give images, which is the odd one out. Cube. Remaining all are two-dimensional, but this is three-dimensional. Okay. Now rotation. Listen. Now this for this we need to discuss. Yeah, fine. Let us see. Anyone can be able to solve the question. Which rotation matches the original shape? Whatever the way you rotate, clockwise or anti-clockwise, any way you do. That's what. C is in fact D also correct. C and D. D after some time it will come. 360 degrees rotating. But okay. Apart from it, better option is C. Instead of D, because D and option both question are both are same, we can go better with C option. Now listen, for this stuff I just need to add some extra point. Wait. Regarding rotations, we need to learn some new. Rotation, we need to discuss some stuff. Then we'll enter into questions. Yes. See, regarding rotation, listen. Yes. Hello. Listen. See, regarding rotation, first you just keep in mind this square box. Okay. And we have positions like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 8 positions. 1, 2, 3. It's like, okay, kept in clockwise. You go anti-clockwise also 8 positions will be there. Right. Rotation can be done in clockwise or anti-clockwise, right? But listen, if you are moving 2 steps here, sir, I'm jumping from 2 to 5, 2 to 4, 2 to 3. If you jump only 1 step, it's equal to 45 degrees here. 1 step is 45 degrees jump. You are going 1 to 2 means 45 degrees clockwise. If you are going from 1 to 8 means 45 degrees anti-clockwise. 1 step jump. But no, sir, I am moving from 1 to 3. It is called 90 degrees. If you jump 2 steps, 90 degrees. So, what all these things are? Listen, what I mean to climb. Okay, why this 1 to 8 numbers are going to be helpful for you. Let us say you are at this position, sir. Right? You are at this position. Means you think that arrow mark at 2. That arrow mark is right now at 2 place. Now, if I do 90 degrees clockwise, what will be the result, sir? It will be, okay, it will be at 4. Super. Agreed? Because that arrow is at 2, 90 degrees means 2 steps. Either left or right. I said clockwise means you should go in this style. Got it? Now, for this one, I have to apply 45 degrees anti-clockwise. Then what will be the result? It will be at 3. Means we need like this. Agreed? Right? So now I'll just go with one shape. Now for T, if you apply 90 degrees clockwise, what will be the result? Agree with this? Okay. Again 90 degrees. This is called generally waterimage. Up become down, down become up. Then again 90. Yeah. Again 90. As it is 360 degrees, it will come to same place. Right. Now for L. Now question is regarding L. For L, if you do 90 degrees clockwise, what will happen, sir? Do you agree with this? 90 degrees clockwise. Then again 90. It will be similar to 7. Okay. Again 90. Right. Again, if you do 90, it will come to original place. Sir, I am not understanding all this, sir. Then write L in paper. You keep rotating that paper. Is there anything available in the options? Then you mark it. Nothing can be done. If you don't understand this, write it on paper. You rotate the paper. Okay. Don't you turn around that. At least rotate. At least there you put your intelligence. Okay. Now for this question, that's what you can observe. For L, okay, you can get the answer as C. Now let's move for the next question. I'll show the options. First, see that what will be the answer. I'll show the options as well. Hope you analyze. I'll show the options. 5. Okay, which one? Option D. D for Delhi. Okay, you can understand. This is 4. This is 3. This is 2. The horizontal 1. Right. And in fact, this is 2, 3, 4. It should become 5 vertical lines. Total 6 lines are 6 sticks are there. Okay, so that was option D. Very good. Next question. Options I don't have right now. I didn't keep the options, no problem. But you just see. Right. So what might be your answer? The down arrow. Okay, see this is up arrow. Okay, you just see the one diagram. There are 4 different images in the question, right? 4 different images. One is pentagon, hexagon, up arrow, down arrow. You focus on at least one thing, right? So this one came to this one again here. This is up, left side, maybe okay, north direction. This is north direction. Next, west, south, then it should be east. In this place, it should be east. Whereas this is in south, east, north, then it should be west. So we need the shading part here and this one normal, that two towards west. Whereas this should be east, okay, above, below one shaded, right? So now obviously you can understand the attachment for this in anti-clockwise should be this. Okay, maybe if you go clockwise, the shaded one next should be pentagon. This should be pentagon here, and here it should be hexagon. You can see, sir, this is taking too much time for me in exam. That's why I'm asking you. Analyze only one shape. You go for the option, eliminate it. You see only one image, one shape where it is located. That will help you to get the answer within less time. Now I think this can be solved very fastly. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So option C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, very easy. Timing also, that's what you can understand. You have to solve more questions in less time. Okay, don't worry. You can do that. If you want to practice more, you just search in Google regarding CCAT exam. Crossover cognitive aptitude test. You can find a lot of stuff related to that. Yes, which one does not belong? Triangle, this is circled here. Here you have the option circle, right? So remaining all are polygons. You can say, okay, straight lines are used, curved lines, whatever it might be. Rest all polygons, the circle is not the one. It's mirror image, sir. Fourth one. Okay, good. Fourth one, and in fact, you can see third one as well. Both are there. Fourth one, yeah. You see, first and last letters, so your job is done. Fixing will take more time. No, at least mirror image means what? Your right side should come into left, your left should come into right. Now, F is here, it should come to right side, but that too, it should be in mirror. So, this is there only in one option. That F is in left side, it should come to right side. That too, it should be reversed. So, that's there only in option 4. No other options available. Directly you can attack like that. No need to do the entire. Okay, sir, I want every letter. We have less time, sir. So now 90 degrees rotation for L, sir. Do 90 degrees clockwise. Maybe here options may be wrong, but we just think 90 degrees clockwise for this. I think here all options not suitable. It will come in this way, no? No, but question is wrong. This approach is wrong. See, they're asking you do something for 90 degrees clockwise, it should appear as L. Means they're asking 90 degrees anti-clockwise for this. My dear friend, that's what very important. They're not asking, read the question, which shape when rotated 90 degrees clockwise looks like L shape. Means for L, you should do 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Then if you do anti-clockwise, it will be like this. In fact, there is no option, okay, agree. Okay, but you know, understand the concept. While creating images that maybe not came correctly, but no issue. But you be clear with the concept, please. 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Two positions should reach 8 as per our diagram. As per our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. L means like this. If you do anti-clockwise 90, this big line should reach 8. Okay, so that you understand. So that position, if you know, you can do it easily. Next, 108 is 30% of what number? Timer completed. 360. Guys, listen. One simple logic is 10% means what you should do? So 10% is what you should do. You have to divide by 10. After dividing by 10, you got integer. Means answer should end with 0, right? 30% means 3 into 10%. 10% means you should divide the number by 10. I got integer, 108 is integer. After dividing by 10, still I got integer means the number should end with 0. Only one option ending with 0. Or else I can say yes, okay, 108, 30% is 108. 3 10 times, 3 36 times. 10% is 36, 100% is 360. This type of approach I can tell for 1 minute 30 seconds question, but here we don't have that much time. Okay, 3 into 10%. 30% means 3 by 10. Means obviously I got a integer means my question should be divided by 10. It should be divided by 10. 0, it should end with 0. So third one is the correct answer. Now does not belongs to. Does not belongs to option. B for Bangalore, D for Delhi. Bangalore. Okay, IPL. T. Okay, fine. So why option B? We need three different shapes in every diagram. So we are very good. One triangle, one circle, one square. But B option, no triangle available. Or square repeated twice. What are the reason? Okay, fine. Good. Next. Sir, I think no need of mobile right now. Next question. Timer completed. Option C. D for Delhi. B for Bangalore. B for Bangalore, correct. Listen, a lamp is price. Take it like 9 euros. Okay. How many you want? 4. 4 into 9 will be 36. As it is 8.99, we should get less than that. 35.96. So what is that 0.96? What happened for remaining? I taken 0.01 extra. Into 4 means I should subtract 0.04. If you want to be precise. But we can go approximately 8.99 as 9. 9 into 4, 36. I want to get answer less than 36. Close to that, option B. Right, again sir, I use calculator. Nothing, please. No calculator allowed first of all. Let's see the next question. Does not belongs means hard one. Okay, so option D for Delhi. Why? Shape of that spark. Right? We need only 2 shaded, 3 unshaded. We can put in that direction also instead of shape exactly. Yeah. Every diagram 2 shading and 3 unshading. Or this is the power symbol, that arrow is shaded. Or here 2 shading, 3 unshading is there. But rest all are that format, but option D having that issue. So option D is the hard one out. This type of questions will take hardly 10 seconds for sure. But what happened in exam due to the tense, correct answers also people mark as wrong, those things will happen. So please be very careful. Okay, I'm not saying you don't know any knowledge. Okay, we are still trying to conduct one exam also, we are planning, but it is not yet done. We are just planning for some small exam as well. Now, yeah, similar word for clever. Clever, similar word is intelligent. Childish behavior is not clever one. So all those, charming is different. Intelligent. Similar words, right? Next, yeah, alternate. 10, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate series 10, 9, then it should be 8. Other series is 1, 2, 3. So you should get answer 8. Next, letter series. E, yes, only option D. If you observe second letter, O, P, Q, R, S. See, generally in exam, this is what your habit must be. I have to see the options, which position different is there. If you see the all options, second position different almost, or third position, you solve only second or third. Okay, in fact, this is the A, B, C, D, E. I too agree, but first one, last one, analyzing, doing all not required. You just have a look into the options and eliminate things. Okay, second one, yes, is only one. Now, $33, which is only 20% of the shoes, should like to purchase. How much does the shoe cost? I can put this question like this. 20% of certain number is 33. What is the number? 20% of certain number is 33. What is that number? 165. 20% is 33. If you want the number, you want 100%, means multiply with 5, we'll get 165. This question already we discussed 108 is 30% of some number. 108 is 30% of some number. What is that number? Same question I can put it in this way. More questions related to percentage. Again, I'm mentioning number series, R1 out, mirror image, water image, rotation stuff, analogy. You need to focus all these things. Serious, next question. Timer completed, answer 3. What is 18 divided by 3? 4 plus 2. 56 divided by 8. 6 plus 1. 104 divided by 8. 13. Answer 8. 5 plus 8 is 30. No, somebody said 5 or 3 answer. What's your logic then? Someone said, okay, 5, 3, something like that. So, what's your logic? Please let me know. Is your logic applicable for everything? Please cross check. My logic is 18 divided by 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. Here 56 divided by 8 is nothing but equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. And similarly 104 divided by 8 is 13. This question mark should be replaced by 8. Then only 5 plus 8 equal to 14 will match. Or any other logic satisfying that, please? No. Again, don't say 4 plus 2 is 6, that 6 into 3 is 18. Reverse of it, don't tell same logic in reverse. If some other answer, if you got it's okay, satisfying all those two existing diagrams, please let us know. Right, so answer is 8, not 3. Okay. Next series, more questions related to series. Timer completed. Option OV. If you observe, see, this question is simple one. Z, Y, X, W. W, X, Y, Z only positions they shuffle. P, Q, R, S only you can observe. P, Q, R, S. But they shuffle. Right? So, Z, Y, X, W. Next should be V in play like V, but it should be second place. W first place means V should be in the second place. They're changing the position. Now P before is O. O at the second place. P at the second place means O should be at the first place. Good logical question. Same letters, sequence only W X Y Z. Okay, P Q R S same thing. But first one shown in second place, second one in first place. That's what the glitch. Okay, right. Good. Let's see the next one. 63. Very good. Some people will claim this as 2 power n minus 1 logic, sir. 2 power 4 minus 1, 2 power 5 minus 1, 2 power 6 minus 1. So most of the people will take difference. Difference is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 like that. I agree. Whatever the logic your mind, no worry. But answer will be 63 only. Take differences. Differences are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 likewise. If you go with differences, you can identify that. Right. Now, 40 is 20% of which number? 200. Now you got that flow. Very good. So 20% of some number is 40. You want number means 100%, it should be 200. Excellent. That's what. Same question they are asking very much repeatedly. You just be clear. Now, what will be the next diagram? This is not odd one out. What will be the next diagram? A, B, C, D, E. Which one? A for Ahmedabad, B for Bangalore, C for Chennai, D for Delhi. D for Delhi. See, this type of questions no need to analyze. When these two diagrams are same, answer must be this one. No much discussion. Fourth one, first one same, then fifth one, second one must be same. Sixth and third must be same. No, sir, I want internal logic. Internally, square, triangle, circle, again square. Internal shading should be triangle. Then outside also you can see that flow. You can go ahead, or else fourth and first one same, then fifth and second one must be same. Sixth and third one must be same. Okay, that will. Now, 15. Logic very simple. Plus 3 logic. Time, speed and distance. 60 kilometers in 1 hour. So 5 hours will be there. So you can find speed is 60 kilometer per hour. All these are not required. I think you can understand. 1 hour 60, 2 hours 120 like that. 5 hours is 60 into 5. No need of formula as well. Area of square is 81. Length of that is 9. Don't think that, sir, you said length, breadth means rectangle. Don't question that way. Length means size of that. Okay. A person can type 40 words per minute. Maybe options wrong. Let it be. Options might be wrong, it seems like. What's your answer then? 720 or 7,200? 7,000. If it is 4 words, then you can go with 7. Better instead of putting 0 to everybody, I'll remove that 0 there. That's fine. So 4 words per 3 hours means 180 minutes. So 180 into 4. It's 4 words per minute, not 40. Just next. Yeah. Time and work. Answer 8 is superb. Very good. 8. One logic. Okay, chain rule M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. How many members, how many days? 4 workers, number of days is here. 6 workers, number of days you need to calculate. Sir, I don't know the formula. No issue. I will tell you without formula also. Fine, 8 is the answer as per this. The other logic, listen. 4 workers complete the work in 12 days. I can put that as 12 workers can complete the work in 4 days also. Both same meaning. 4 workers doing in 12 days or 12 workers in 4 days. Both same. 12 workers 4 days. 6 workers means number of people are half. Time should be double. Less people, more time taken. So answer will be 8. Sir, in question they're not given for 12 workers. I agree. 4 workers in 12 days. We can also put that as 12 workers in 4 days. Both will be same only. Okay. Numerical wise different, but the total work to be completed all will be same. Next. Answer 30. Sir, average concept. Listen, if terms are in arithmetic progression, average is middle term. Average of terms in AP is middle term. They're not expecting you people to do sum of terms divided by number of terms, not required. If terms are in arithmetic progression, is it in AP or not? Common difference is 10. Then average will be the middle term, right? So 30 will be your answer. Now this might be less chances, but still, okay, fine. Now 1 or 2 questions they may give it lengthy. 30 km downstream in 2 hours, 18 km upstream in. They're asking speed of boat in still water. 15 and 6, so option D. So yeah, answer D is correct here. Listen, downstream speed is nothing but speed of boat plus speed of water flow. That is 30 divided by 2, 15 km per hour. Speed is distance divided by, okay, distance is 30, time is 2. See, you can expect this question in your exam tomorrow maybe, but they don't give distance, that timing separately. They'll give downstream speed is this, upstream speed is this. What is speed of boat in still water? Because time is less. Okay, 15 seconds. Then they can ask the same question like downstream speed is this, upstream is this. What is speed of water flow? What is speed of boat in water? That things you can expect, but don't expect distance separately and all. So this is upstream means you are traveling against the water flow, opposed to the water flow. Your speed will decrease. So distance is 18, time is 6 km per hour. Now they're asking speed. This is what SB plus SS, SB minus SS is there. You want speed of boat means add those two, divide by 2. Okay, so it is 21 divided by 2, 10.5. So if they ask speed of water flow or speed of stream or rate of current, rate of stream, you should subtract those two and divide by 2. And expect in exam not all this stuff. Okay, they'll give downstream speed, upstream speed. Only thing you have to calculate speed of boat in water or speed of current or speed of stream. Current, stream, water flow, all those synonyms. Similar words, don't worry. Same. Now, sir, two numbers summation is 55. What are the numbers? Option A. See the units place. 7 plus 8 is 15 ending with 5. Maybe the same question they may change like what is the smallest number? Two consecutive numbers, summation is 55. What is the smallest number? Because both we cannot expect that, and it is very simple. Okay, they may give one number only, they'll ask what is the smallest, what is the largest. Likewise, we can expect, but not like, okay, both numbers given, then it's very dead easy. 5 seconds question it might be. Now, 4. Very good. 4x is 16, x is nothing but probability. Not difficult, easy one. Favorable is what? 10. Total 30. So we got 1 by 3. Lot of students they are putting 1 by 2 as the answer in hurry. Okay, please be aware of favorable out of total. It's not favorable out of unfavorable, no. Favorable out of total, not unfavorable. 10 by 20, 1 by 2 also available in options. Many will do that basic mistake. Now, a lot of questions related to probability you can find now. If a number is divided by 3, the remainder is 2. What is the number? Among the options, sorry, there may be a lot of numbers. Among the options, okay, dividing by 3, remainder 2 is 5. It's not taking that much, and that's what they are also giving questions in such a way, not using pen and paper. Maybe tomorrow, don't worry, okay, like sir, they're not allowing pen and paper for this. Might be a chance they don't allow for exam also because everything. That's why I'm making sure you people also practice in that. Maybe that is also a case where they don't allow pen and paper. You just go ahead like okay, because for coding, yeah, that also not require any pen and paper. For this question, you can maybe you can do directly, right? Coding what pen and paper. You can analyze. There is a scope you can do. If you want pen and paper, fine. That's a secondary. Now, price of an item increased by 20%. If original price was new price is 120. 100% is $100. 120% is $120. This is in 3 hours 50. Average speed, sir. No problem. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. Okay, it's distance by time. What are the speed? It's distance by time. Only average speed is total distance divided by total time. Nothing worry. Don't worry. Okay. Now, a triangle has sides of 5, 12 and 13. It's right angle triangle because it's a triplet. 5 square plus 12 square is 13 square. If it is 7, 24 and 25, right angle triangle only, is it? Right? So 7 square plus 24 square, 576 will give you same. So it's right hand. There are a lot of triplets. You just go ahead. 3, 4, 5 is one of the triplet. Right. Okay. So there are a lot of things. You can just work on those triplets. Now, cost of 5 apples is $10. 8 apples, $16 into 2. This will require some thing you need to do. It's not directly I can give the answer. Still, yeah. Second 15 seconds also going to be completed. Fine. So now see this type of questions what you can do, no? 1 by 4, 1 by 3, right? Means you should divide the number with 4 and 3. What number can be divided by 4 and 3? 12. Right, okay. Let's assume total income is 12. 1 by 4th of that given to rent means 3 rupees gone. Groceries, 1 by 3rd of that 4 gone. What is remaining? 5, right? Here 5 represents 600, means multiplied with 120, then 12 should be multiplied by 120, answer 1004. I don't know what is the amount. I am assuming 12. Why 12, sir? Because I should divide by 4 and divide by 3. In that fashion, I am taking 12. Then 1 by 4th of that. 12 divided by 4, 3 rupees given to rent. 12 divided by 3, 4 rupees given to groceries. Then 3 and 4, 7 parts are completed. Out of 12, what is remaining is 5 parts. Okay, they said as per the question, 5 is 600. Means multiply with 120, you 12 into 120, 1440. Maybe not expecting this. At least maybe like this, listen. Okay, maybe as time is less, same question possibility, how can they create is, I'll just change that and give you, maybe this we can expect this. This is fine. Okay, this is a bit lengthy. I do agree with you. So what I'll do, same question, I'll just remove one line. This might be possible for you in exam. Due to the time limit, yeah, this is possible one. So then what should be your answer? 1 by 4th of the income spends on rent and saves the remaining $600. What is the total income? So remaining is 3 by 4th, no? 1 by 4th gone. What is remaining? 3 by 4th is 600, and your total income should be $800. Right, so you can just see the question. This is what you can do. Might be this one you can expect instead of. I think this is very easy for you. 72, 8 into 9. Perimeter of a rectangle is 60. Length is 18. Width 12. Perimeter divided by 2 is length plus breadth. So 30 should be equal to 18 plus. Very good. Tool is correct. Excellent. Next, a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. What is the smallest such number? 6. Okay, so 6. Very good. LCM of 2 and 3, in fact, that is. Or you can go with the option verification by now. A shopkeeper buys an article for $50 and sells it for 65. Is it profit or loss? How much profit percentage? 30%. 50 becomes 65. Profit is equal to 15. Profit percentage is with respect to cost price. So into 2. Or what you can do in an easy way, no, instead of this, always with respect to 100, no, 50 becomes 65. Then 100 become 130 means 30% profit, right? Just do into 2, all those will be eliminated. 50 becomes 65. If we do into 2, 100 become 130. Then 30% profit, 30% increase. Directly you can mark the answer. Or no sir, I'll go for profit percent. It's your wish. So it should go C. Okay. Three different colors. First of all, it should be what color next? Gray color. So B and D will be eliminated because you can see black, gray, white, black, gray, white. Now, alternate it is going opposite. This is down, it should be up, again it should be down. So option C. Maybe sir, it's a this is okay, 45 degrees clockwise, all those waste of time. Don't analyze that much now. Okay, it's very simple. Every alternate opposite. Down, up, down. Likewise, you can go. And in fact, here also opposite. No, right, left. Again, it should be like right. No need of angle and doing that. It's waste of time in exam. As we have less time, I'm not entering into that area. It's very simple. Opposite. Now, what about next one, sir? Same question repeated. No. Yeah. These two are same. So answer must be this one. So option D. Okay, now this. Yeah, these two slots must be empty, right? Those two must be empty. Means unshaded. Where is those two? Yeah, here B for Bangalore. You can just observe it's unshading part between these. See, these two are unshaded. Then these two are unshaded. Then these two. These two. Next should be these two areas. Between those two shading parts, I am looking only one part. Where is the two unshading things between two shaded parts? It's going in this fashion. You can just, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 clockwise. 1 and 2 first, then it is 8, 1 and 8, okay, 8 and 7. You can number 8 parts, which area it is unshaded, you can mark. It's option B as of now. Next. First, they are adding one line, then circles, then one line, then circles. Next, one line. It should be option A for apple, right? So option Ahmedabad. Okay. Why not option E? Middle one should be dots. So that's what in hurry in exam people go with option E as well. But see in the middle should be the shaded dot. Okay, in E find similar thing and C also similar thing available. But middle one is not shaded there. Different things are shaded. Now what's the answer? Does not belongs to. Hard one out. Option C, because only one is outside. Remaining all diagrams, two circles are outside. That two consecutive things are outside, but here only one. Odd one out, very good. Next, does not belongs to. Multiple options. C. Okay. Check. Does not belongs to what? C. Okay, what's the logic? Two unshaded and one shading. So C is having only one shading. So that's very simple. Right? So two shading parts, two shading, one shading, two shading. Next. circle. Same thing we discussed already, but in terms of text. Okay, now same in that. Next, I think this is also completed. Two squares came, repetition this is. One circle, one square, one triangle. Now this one. See, when mirror is placed in between, it's called mirror image. Mirror image. Third one is not mirror image, this is water image. Rest all are mirror image. Right become left. See this mirror, this is called mirror. When mirror is placed your left or right, it will be mirror image concept. If you put up or down, above or below, it will become water image. Depends on where you place the mirror, it may be mirror image or water image. Now rotation, that's okay. This is rotation, which will be possible. You know water rotation, it may be 90 degrees or 180 clockwise or anti-clockwise. What will be the possible in the options? First thing it must be, yeah, fine, you just find it. Now first one, second option eliminated. 4, okay, right. Now first thing you observe, listen, you need W shape in between, right? Okay, fine. And the smiling, this is smiling is down, smiling down, but here smile will be this, right? So that's eliminated. Next we need W. Okay, here, fine, this is fine, and one more we need this. Yeah, this is not correct. One is not correct. I hope you know. It's not touching down. That's eliminated. Now among 3 and 4, this is wrong. Fourth one is best. You can observe fourth one is the correct. Whatever the rotation you do, it's actually 90 degrees clockwise, you know. If you do 90 degrees clockwise of that shape, you can find fourth one. Sometimes they'll ask you two diagrams, what rotation happened? Is it 90 degrees or 180 clockwise, anti-clockwise? They can ask you that also. That's also scope. Two diagrams, one and second, first and second one. First one, what rotation you did. Second one, obtained. But here you did water rotation. The shape should not, okay, should have the same properties. That shape, okay, that's why fourth one correct. Now what about this one? One, what rotation you did, sir, for one? Is it 1 or 4? Not 1, 4. Why, sir? Listen, listen. After this line, going clockwise, you will get dot. That line going clockwise, you got dot. Now, this line going clockwise, dot will should come somewhere here. The same side, no. Whereas you check this line going clockwise, in the same side the dot is available. Here also see, line going clockwise in the same side dot is available. But this is not accepting that. That property will not change. What about this one, sir? Here line and dot both are at same place. Right? So here this is different. Line is leading the dot. That's not acceptable. First dot leading that line. Okay, dot should be before, then the line should come. Okay, that two both should be in the same side. You can observe that's property available only in fourth one. So rotation, this is a bit difficult, but what you can expect is that what I given initially. Arrow mark 90, 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, that things. This is bit next level question. But friends, still learning is not a big task. Mirror image, sir. Your mirror is placed in your right side. Mirror image, yeah. Your see in mirrorimage your bottom will be in the bottom only, but right should go to left. That's there in third one. Circle is in bottom only. It should come in bottom. If it is in right, it come to left. But in remaining diagram, circle is at the top, not acceptable. Next, again mirror image. Your right will be in the right, right should come to left, left should come to right. Now this is wrong, second one wrong, third one wrong. Reason below is what this arrow. Okay, arrow here fine, arrow here fine. And problem with this is waterimage, not correct. First one is correct. Okay, this shape you can just observe what's went wrong. Fourth one, right? So here, first one is absolutely correct. Very good. Next, again mirror image. Consider mirror is that your. Okay. Now, for the same question, what is mirror image? What is water image? Both options available here. If mirror is placed at the above, it is water image. Mirror image will be C. Very good. Water image B. B for Bangalore. Your top will come to bottom, but left side circle will come to left only. In water image, your left will be in the left side, right will be in the right side, but above come to below, below will go to above. That shifting will be there. Yes, water image B is correct, mirror image C will be correct. Sir, in exam, listen, in some questions you have to make very clear where the mirror kept. Even they are asking mirror image. If mirror is in above or below, we call it like water image. If mirror kept horizontally, mirror kept vertically. If mirror kept vertically means there is a mirror image concept. If mirror kept horizontally, where it is above or below, it's water image concept. Mirror where it is placed is very important. Now here, this is mirror image only, don't worry. Then what should be the answer? Among A, B, C. B. Okay. Answer will be, yeah, your right side into should come to left side. So that's available only D option. Rest all no. Okay, D may be for water image. Might be I have to cross check things. No, it's not water image also because same line. It's not acceptable. Only here B fine. Okay. Mirror image for this A B C D. Which one? D. This triangle is there, no? The triangle should be like this. So that's there only in D. Next again mirror image. A is correct. A is correct. Very good. Again mirror image. Water image for this? If available in the options, mirror image is A, water image will be C. Perfect. Perfect. C correct. Your right should be in the right side, but above should come to below. Below should go to above. Perfect. Now again mirror image. A option. C. A is correct. A is the mirror image or B. A is correct. C. See the hands please. Hands down in left side, it should come to right side. Right side down there in A, B and D. Now look into the circle. Circle in the right, okay, and this 7. It should be like this, it should be like this now. That available in A and D, right? So you can find it. Finally, option A only correct. So which one we can go? A problem because of both answer down. So we can see option D. Agreed? Yes. So what's the answer for this? Fast, fast. Mirrorimage only. D for? Okay. Fine. So almost we are done. So what about this? Coding and decoding. Fruit is written as GSVJU. No pen and paper. So it's a simple logic plus 1. So you should get the answer CB. It's available in option A. Next, smallest among this. Option A. Don't go for 1.0004. 1 is there before. So we should be very careful. Some people will see, sir, this type of questions is possible because less time, more questions. So they are giving all these silly things, right? And I'll keep some extra questions, or maybe I'll share you the document later. We have some extra stuff as well. So certain questions we discussed certain so far, which is out of 200, hardly I think I completed 100 only. Rest of the questions I'll show you in the document. We can still do the practice here. I think up to here, this is the question we discussed. Listen, out of 100 pages, only 47 pages discussed. Still 50 plus is there. I'll share you those docs. You have a document. You can just practice regarding using that. Okay.